good morning, dear students. As we have started yesterday, chemical kinetic unit 4, and today we are going to start it formally. And the first topic of this unit is rate of chemical reaction, average instantaneous rate of reaction. So first we will discuss rate of chemical reaction. Okay. So as the chapter name is chemical kinetic, so let's understand first what is the meaning of chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is chemical mean element that react in a chemical reaction. You know about chemical reaction in 10th also you studied. Chemistry is all about the study of chemical reactions, chemical changes that is happening around us. So whatever elements that is reacting in that particular chemical reaction, that is known as chemical. And kinetic is what? It is the movement basically. In Greek the word kinetic mean movement. So it is what? In simple way, let's take a simple example of making tea. Okay, dear students, you know when water we are going to boil, in the moment we are adding tea leaves in it, you can observe the sudden change in color of tea leaves. And if you will add this tea leaf in a cold water, it will take some time to mix. If we will add the same tea leaf in hot water, boiled water, quickly, instantly, it is going to change the color of water. What does it mean? It means that how fast the particle of those tea leaves are going to combine or collide. Collide means strike or make bond with the molecule of water. That is called rate of reaction. It means that faster the collision, or you can take kinetic energy. Faster the kinetic movement, faster the colliding, faster will be the reaction. Yeah, faster will be the appearance of product. Okay, and faster will be the formation of product. Like how much hot water, boiled water you will use to prepare a tea, so that much faster the tea will prepare. Okay. If you will use cold water to prepare tea, maybe for example I am taking, it will take 5 minutes to prepare a tea. When you have already hot water, so it will take 2 minutes to prepare a tea. So how this time limit has reduced? That reduced because of more the movement of element. So hope so you understood. So how movement of element? It is movement of element. And what is the rate of reaction? Basically it is collision. All the elements, how moving elements are colliding with each other, and more the faster, more the collision, more will be the reaction become faster. Okay, try to understand like this way. In every kind of reactions, the how fast the reaction is giving product, that is totally depending upon the how fast the molecules are colliding with each other inside the dissolved solution. Okay, so what is the definition of chemical kinetic become now? It is the branch of chemistry which deal with the rate of reaction. What is the rate of reaction now? Rate of reaction, rate mean speed of reaction. Rate word mean speed. So it is the branch of chemistry which deal with the rate of reaction. And the mechanism mean the process, the steps that is following in the rate of reaction by which reaction occur. Okay, so on the basis of rate of chemical reaction, reactions can be very fast, very slow, moderate. Basically 3 type of reactions are occurring in our surrounding. First is very fast. These are instant reaction, and mostly it is taking less than seconds time, and mostly it is found in ionic type of reaction which occur very fast. And for example, a precipitate of AgCl from AgNO3. The precipitate reaction is very quick reaction, very fast reaction. It is difficult to observe as reaction is taking very less time. Okay. Second is type of very slow reaction. It takes so many years, so many months, so many days to get the desired product. So rusting of iron is an example. As you know that rusting of iron is taking sometimes so many days. So the presence of air and moisture, it is also difficult to observe, because it took so much time and nobody has that much time to sit to observe the reaction. Okay, but third type of reaction is moderately slow reaction. It is kind of moderate speed or average speed, which is not too fast, not too slow. For example, inversion of cane sugar, hydrolysis of starch. So it can observe comfortably because it is giving the desired result within the observation time. Okay. Now, dear student, as you understood, there are three, like some of the reactions are very slow, some of the reactions are very fast, some of the reactions are moderate. So how to calculate the reaction, yeah, how to find out, how to observe the reaction. Now think practically, think scientifically. You are preparing a tea as example. So that tea, when you are preparing today, when you are going to prepare a tea, just think you are studying about chemical kinetic. Then observe. Observation is very important. The moment you add tea leaves, then see how much time it is taking to get complete conversion of that color. The moment you are adding sugar, how much time it is taking to dissolve the sugar completely in that solution. Then you are adding milk, how much time it is taking to get complete color. So while you are preparing the tea, you just have to make video, you just have to explain, and you just have to relate this example with the chemical kinetic. And you have to send this 1 minute, 2 minute video to me on my personal WhatsApp. Those who will not send, they will consider it as absent. Okay, you can explain it in Hindi or in English also. So this is now first formal topic that we are going to study, that is rate of chemical reaction. Now speed of chemical reaction, very simple. Rate means speed of chemical reaction, or how much time it is taking to complete the reaction. As we were studying this rate in physics also, when we are talking about the speed of car. So how speed of vehicle are going to be calculate, it is going to be calculate how much distance is traveled at a given time is called speed. Similar way, how much time is taken to complete the reaction or to get the product is called rate of chemical reaction. So here we are talking about the speed of reaction. Okay, it is the change in concentration of any one of the reactant or product per unit time. This is the definition of rate of chemical reaction. It is the concentration of any one of the reactant. Now reactant can be one, reactant can be more than one, reactant can be 2, 3, as you know that. Okay, suppose water is made up of 2 reactants, for example H2 plus O2. So 2 reactants are reacting, forming H2O. Okay, now how fast the H2 is going to collide with O2, how fast this H2 is going to react with O2. Okay, that much fast we will get H2O. Very simple. H2 is a gas, O2 is a gas, but H2 is a liquid. So it means that somewhere this H2 is disappearing, O2 is disappearing, and slowly liquid is appearing. So that is simply disappearance of reactant. What is rate of reaction in simple word? Disappearance of reactant and appearance of product. It is simply disappearance of reactant, or you can say the rate of decrease in concentration of any one of the reactant. It means a decrease in concentration of reactant, on the other hand side increase in concentration of product. Once again the tea example, it is disappearance of color of liquid water and appearance of color of tea leaves. Disappearance of taste of tasteless liquid water and appearance of sweet taste of sugar. Disappearance of color of tea leaves, appearance of color of milk. So these are the observation that shows that rate of chemical reaction can be calculated. So take an example, hypothetical example. Let it be take example, any reactant is reacting and getting product. This is called chemical reaction. And 1 mole of reactant R produce 1 mole of product. It is law of conservation of energy. Amount of reactant you are adding, amount of product you will get. So if R1 and P1 are concentration reactant for T1, suppose R1 P1 is taking T1 time, R2 P2 is taking T2 time. So delta word is change. So change in time is final time minus initial time. Change in reactant is final reactant minus initial reactant. Change in product is final product minus initial product. So let's understand with the help of this example. Rate of disappearance of R, as I told you, कोई भी रिएक्शन होगा कैसे पता लगेगा प्रोडक्ट बनेगा, धीरे धीरे जो रिएक्टेंट है वो डिसअपेयर हो जाएगा और दूसरी तरफ धीरे धीरे प्रोडक्ट जो है वो अपीयर हो जाएगा. जब वो कम्प्लीटली अपीयर हो गया प्रोडक्ट तो इट मीन दैट रिएक्शन हैज अकर्ड. सो disappearance of reactant is decrease in concentration of reactant upon given time, which can be shown mathematically minus. That's why minus, because it is decreasing. Delta is showing change and this is showing molar concentration. मतलब एक फिक्स वैल्यू दी हुई है, स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू दी हुई है, स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू दी हुई है एट गिवन टेम्परेचर T. दिस इज क्वेश्चन 1. रेट ऑफ अपीयरेंस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इट इज On the other hand side, rate of appearance of product. So increase in concentration of product. Here decrease in concentration of reactant, to other side increase in concentration of product at given time. So it will write plus because it is increasing, plus delta molar concentration product on delta T. Now compile both the equation. Here we are taking one example of phosphorus pentachloride convert into phosphorus trichloride and chlorine gas. So rate may be expressed, rate is equal to, these are reactant, this is reactant, these are product. So reactant is disappearing, so minus delta PCl5 is disappearing at given time, and on the other hand side delta PCl3 and delta PCl2 at given time is increasing. So any reaction whenever going to ask to you, so you have to write the equation like this way. I am giving some of the question to you, you need to solve it in your notebook. So this is the question: N2 gas plus 3H2 gas, nitrogen gas, and 3 molecule of hydrogen gas will give 2 molecule of ammonia. So you have to write the rate of reaction of this equation, number one. And second question is, you will write the rate of reaction of 2 nitrogen oxide plus O2 give 2 nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so write the rate of reaction of these two. So this was all about for today, dear students. Hope so you enjoyed this video and you understood all the topics. So I'm going to conclude today with the help of this picture. So you see the picture very carefully. It is be strong, accepting, excitement, happy, unique, to learn something. And then after that, be amazing, original, friendly, responsible, and charismatic, to learn the things. Then be dedicated, generous, organized, determined, reachable, to get the things in the way we are sharing to you. And in the last, be successful, different, reliable, consistent, and polite, to get a good result. Okay, so with this, thank you very much, take care for today. Hope so you like this video, hope so you understood everything, hope so you will do this question which I have given to you. So dear students, once again, thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, keep your family also safe. Don't be corona carrier, be corona warrior. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day. Once again, in the end, congratulations for the great result of matriculation. So thank you.